Alright, y'all. So today is a different type of video. Um, we got a new keyboard. You know, we've been rocking the Razer Huntsman for a very, very long time. This was my first ever 60% keyboard. Or no, the first ever 60% keyboard that was actually pretty decent. But, you know, let me unhook it real quick. But this keyboard was pretty good, you know. But we did get a steal on the Apex Pro Mini. I think it was, I got it for like 130. You know, I got it for 130 on Amazon, and it's usually for 180. So I was like, I have to get it. It's on sale, so why not? I need a new, gaming keyboard. But this keyboard, man, I heard a lot of good things. Got accusation or some shit like that. But yeah, I know it's Omni point switches, which I'm not too familiar with. All I know, you can switch like the thingy, like speed. I don't know what it's called. Accusation. I don't know, some shit like that. I know it has rapid triggers. But we're gonna open this up. I already did cut the tape. And yes, before y'all ask, did I already open it? Of course I did, because I can't fucking wait. Nothing really come in the box, just a user manual, and it says, "Open this for glory." But we don't need that. But oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hold on, wait! Listen. Oh my gosh! Hold on. I know it's not a Razer Huntsman mini video, but hold on, listen. This is Razer Huntsman. Right. Hold on. Oh my gosh. And this keyboard does come with a keycap puller. I haven't used one for a very long time, so I'll try to pull out, Okay, it worked. Oh, why is it? Can you focus, please? Can you focus? Okay. But as you can see, the Omni point switch. A cool little switch. Keycap puller works pretty well, Rated a good, 10 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? But on a serious note, we're gonna give this keyboard a try. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. This keyboard looks identical to the Razer Huntsman. I mean, side by side, this keyboard is a little bit chunkier than the Razer Huntsman. It looks like the keys are more like out. Yeah, I mean, y'all know how it looks. Razer Huntsman, not bad, not a bad keyboard. I mean, yeah, y'all could tell, y'all can see the keycaps, or the switches. My bad, y'all can see the switches way more. It does take basically the same cord. I mean, and I kind of like this better though. I like how it's on the side. Damn, that's bright. Alright. But I'm going to take y'all to where to get the app and stuff like that. Is SteelSeries /GG. I'll put it in the link in the description. But I'm going to take y'all there real quick and show y'all. Alright, y'all. So this is what you'll want to look up to get the app. I already have the app because I had it a while ago when my cousin came over. But this is the app that you want to get. Like I said, I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. But it, what I'm saying, steelseries.com/GG. And I will take y'all to that real quick. All you have to do is type in GG. And you'll go to engine. Everything's already kind of set up. So, okay. I'm still learning this myself, too. Like I said, I only have this keyboard for maybe a week. Um, yeah, but this is the rapid trigger. If y'all want to activate it, all keys. If all your keys are not activated, you would click select all keys and you would basically highlight it. It's like a copy and paste. You got 4 to 0.1. That's the fastest. I thought 4 was the fastest. That might sound dumb, but I don't know. I just thought it would work like that. But I put it to 0.1. It's pretty fucking fast. And this is the rapid trigger. I believe this is new. I'm not sure if any other keyboards have it. This is, I guess, the rapid trigger sensitivity. I'm not too sure about this. I just have it on high. Dual binds, I don't know anything about. I'll do more research, and if I figure out what it's about, and if you can make anything, I guess, faster if you're playing Fortnite or whatever. But, I mean, it's dual bindings. I believe everybody knows that is. I just don't know how to use them on this keyboard. I don't know what it does exactly. I would have to do my research. But the dual acquisition. So this is where if you press it, like say if for instance I press F, it will do it again, if that makes sense. You feel me? I believe. If I'm wrong, let me know. Type down in the chat. You know, let me know. Because like I said, I'm still learning this keyboard. You know what I'm saying? I didn't really do my research as much as I probably should have. But I try to put it as 1. But every time it says 1, it says, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to pause it, go ahead, read it. But I set that to 2. And I'm going to put y'all on real quick. I'm not sure if this is true. But people said, okay, no device found. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess never mind. I mean, hold on. Let me see if I just unplug it, see what happens. Okay. It was just working because I just wanted to make sure everything was going to work. I turned on my lights just so... Okay, there it is. Okay, cool. I don't know what's happening. But if y'all like RGB, I'm not sure if it makes a huge difference, but I guess a faster delay, whatever. Turn it off. But if you guys like it, like I like it, you know what I'm saying? Put it on for the one time. But that's if y'all want it. I'm not sure if it really does anything. I only seen one person do it. But I'm going to leave it on. Because that should look nice. You know what I'm saying? Why would you buy an RGB keyboard if you're not turning on the RGB? You feel me? But we're going to go to gear. We'll save it. You can just exit out. I'm going to hop on Fortnite and see. I do have an older clip of me editing on the Razer Huntsman. So y'all will see that on my new Sense and my new keyboard. So I'm gonna hit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hop on for it, a little custom. I'm not gonna go in a public match or anything like that, just because I feel like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really need to show y'all me playing Fortnite on a new keyboard. Maybe in the next video if you want that. But you know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all how fast you can edit. I'll throw a little clip up here now of me playing on my Razer Huntsman. It's bad, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it's bad. This like I just switched the keyboard like a good month ago. But if so far, if I had to say, this keyboard feels nice. I ain't gonna lie. Like this keyboard, for instance, it just feels kind of like slushy in a way. Like don't get me wrong, I love Razer products. I really do love Razer products. But I don't know. It's just this keyboard, man, just feels like, you know what I'm saying? It just, I don't know how to explain it. If y'all have it, y'all know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It just feels like, it feels nice. But other than that, I mean, I would honestly, like, if I had to say, this is probably the best keyboard I have. I know people say the Wooden's better. I never tried it. Whatever other keyboards that have rapid trigger effects, but like it just, I don't know, it just feels hella fast too. And by the way, I did just hop on because I wanted to make this video, but I mean, this keyboard is hella I mean, like, I'm not even a good, like, keyboard and mouse player yet. But, man, this keyboard feels insane, bro. It's just, like, it feels too fast. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just feels like it's, like, super fast. Like, it's kind of hard to get used to, but after a couple days, you'll get used to it. Like I said, I had this keyboard for about a week. I was supposed to have a video out, like, when I first got it, but I was just super busy. So this will be out the 6th. Today is the 5th, but, it will be out tomorrow. So let me know what y'all have planned, you know, like, when do y'all get out of school, if y'all get out of school? If not, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing on a good Monday? You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you guys got going on? But I mean, dude, this keyboard is hella fast. Like, yeah, I mean, it just feels like, it's just like, oh my gosh, you know what I'm saying? But no, like, on the serious note though, I'm gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna give it a good rating. I would have to say, like, a very, like, honestly, like, I'm not too big into keyboards. I'm not too big into tech. This is probably the only video that y'all ever see me doing, like, on an unboxing video. But I ain't gonna lie, this keyboard to me is a good 10 out of 10. You know, the price seems high, but I think that's, like, every keyboard that has, like, what this keyboard has. You feel me? I feel like I got a great deal on it. I got it $130 plus tax, so like $140-ish. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, other than that, this keyboard is fucking amazing. Like, I don't even know. I don't know how to explain it. But if you got this keyboard, let me know. Let me know how you guys like it. Like, were y'all the first person that, like, got the keyboard and you're like, damn, like, this keyboard feels different, or like, were y'all like, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But like, nah. But peace out, y'all. It's been your boy Sam, and I'm out. I'll see y'all in the next. Peace. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe if you guys, you know, don't mind. It's free. It's always free. Helps me out. Comment, pushes the algorithm out, pushes this video out. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Twitter for, you know, updates. If y'all want to get a hold of me, DM me, Instagram, JK, Twitter. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just keep on going.